Okay, a functions question. We've got two functions, an f and a g function, and we're asked to find hx, which is fgx. It's always quite good to draw a diagram. Now, hx, which is the combination of the f box and the g box, means that we put x into the g box first, and out of the g box we get 2x plus 3, and then it goes into the f box, and the f box cube roots the input. So this is the cube root of 2x plus 3, and that's equal to hx. So that's the answer to the first part. So we now need to find h to the minus 1x. Okay, so we start off in the usual way. Let y equal the cube root of 2x plus 3. So therefore y cubed is equal to 2x plus 3. We need to make x the subject. Therefore 2x is equal to y cubed minus 3, and therefore x is equal to y cubed minus 3, both divided by 2. Now we swap x to y and y to x, because after all we're coming in here. And we get, therefore, h to the minus 1 of x is equal to x cubed minus 3, both divided by 2. And that's your answer.